In this video, I will show you how to make $200 per day promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. So there's a couple things that we will need for this, and first of all we will need an Amazon Associates account. So right here I have got my second Associates account because I don't want to review the actual email I created my account with and my store ID, and I don't feel like blurring it out the entire video, so I just created the second account. But you can see on this account I do have 80 cents right here, and this is since I created this on the 8th of April, and I just created one test post to see if it is all working. And you can see that even right now it is the 20th of April, but even just one post on Pinterest has made me 80 cents so far, and this is super simple, and I'll just show you how you can do this. And this post took like 3 minutes to create, and of course this post will be there forever, so it will basically make about $1 a month for the next couple years. So it will basically make about $1 a month for as long as Pinterest and Amazon exist. So I'll show you the exact strategy that I know how to do on how to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, and it's really easy to do and anyone can do it, as long as you can create an Amazon Associates account, of course. Now first just go to Amazon Associates, so search that up and create your account. If you don't have a website, because one of these steps is to add your website, just add a link to your Pinterest account and usually you will get accepted, because that's also what I did. Now once you have an Amazon Associates account, you can just go to amazon.com, and then here in the top you will see Amazon Associates right there. So now what we are going to do is we are going to click on all right here, and now we will shop by department. So click see all here and just find a department. So I do recommend to have a niche of your actual Pinterest account. So for example, you can have a niche of home decor, so kitchen accessories and stuff like that, or you can have something like pet supplies or fashion, whatever you want to promote. Now for this example I will go with home and kitchen, and for this specific example I will just go with kitchen and dining. Now here you will see some featured products. What we are going to do here is click on sort by and then go to best seller. So now here you have some best sellers in kitchen and dining. Now you want to find a product that is kind of special, because for example this you can purchase anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for kitchen decor, because here you'll find some more special products basically. So for example, I kind of like this thing right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this product, and you can see the name right here. So basically this is a turntable organizer for a cabinet, and this is also a keyword that I'm now going to look for on Pinterest. So you have some images right here and you can see these look really good, so that's perfect. And what this basically is a turntable organizer. So on Pinterest we are going to go to the search bar here and search for turntable organizer, and you can see turntable organizer is a keyword that is being searched for on Pinterest. So you can see turntable organizer, and you can see these are very similar products. So now we know that there is search volume for this actual keyword, because otherwise it won't show up in the search bar. So now we know that this is a good product to promote because it also has some really nice images. So what we are now going to do is find the best image. So in my opinion the best image here is probably this one, since it is kind of a lifestyle image. So now I'm going to click on the image, then right click on it and click on save image as. Now they also have different colors, so you can kind of see what you like best. So they have a natural oak, a black one and a white one. So just find one that you want to promote, so basically the one that you think looks nicest, but you can also do all of them. Personally I like this one, so I'll take this one. And what we are going to do to create our actual pin, we are going to use Canva. So Canva is completely free to use. You can just search for canva.com and create your account. You can see I am also using the free account right here. So go and click on create a design, and now what you want to do is here in the search bar type in Pinterest and then click here on Pinterest pin. So then you have the correct format right here, and now here you have templates. Now for the template you want to click Pinterest, and you can see some of these have this crown right here where it says pro. Those ones are paid, so you don't want to select those ones, you just want to select one of the free pins right here. So I'll find one right now. So for example I will take this one right here, since I think it looks really nice, and you want one that has one of these images. Now what we're going to do is just drag in the downloaded Amazon image right here and drag it over this image, so then it gets replaced. Now you can see this one kind of has this right here. Now here you have a site, for example. Now I don't need this, I'm just going to remove this because we are going to add our link somewhere else. So then I'll move this up a little bit and I'll actually make it a little bit bigger. Now for the background, for example, I want to make it the color of the actual table here, so I'm going to click on the background. Then for the color I will just select the color picker here and then take the color of the background, so then it has this actual color. I'll make it a little bit lighter like this for example. Now here you have this text. Now I only need these two parts. I'll remove the bottom one and I'm going to move this line down a little bit since I will need some more space. So first here you want to write the name of the actual product. So this one is a turntable organizer. So what we are now going to do here is type in turntable organizer like this. So I kind of like this font. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger and then I'll drag this over a little bit so that it actually fits and make it a little bit bigger like this so that it's a bit easier to read. Then align it to the middle. And now here you have this piece of text. Now I think this is not very easy to read, so I'm just going to take a different font here. For example, I'll take this one. And now here what you want to write is the price of the product on Amazon. So this one is $16.99. And then after that, add on Amazon. Now you can see it's a bit too large, so I'm just going to drag this over a little bit and then make it smaller so that it actually fits right here. Now I want it to be even a little bit smaller than that, like this. And I kind of like it like this. However, I'm going to take both of these and I'll just lock this background right here so that I don't move that. But I'll just take these two, group them up and make them a little bit bigger. So like this, I really like it and it's pretty easy to read. Even if you zoom out a little bit, you can see turntable organizer, $16.99 on Amazon, and you have the image. Now the image is a little bit too small for my liking, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock the background and move all of this down a little bit, and then just make this image a bit larger and align it to the middle again, and then make the space at the top and the bottom pretty much the same like this. And now the image is a little bit bigger as well. So I like this pin right here, and now I can click share in the top right, then click download and click download again. Now go to Pinterest, and what I do recommend you do is click on the drop down here and then click on convert to business so that you get some more insights. It will only take a couple of minutes and it's free. So then after you do that, click create right here, and then here you need to add the image. So go to your downloads and just drag it in there. And now we have the image here, so that's the pin. Now for the title of the pin, we are going to take the exact keyword that we found. So it was turntable organizer. Then what I like to add is between brackets, I will add the price and then on Amazon. So I will basically add this piece of text right here also in the title. So this is the usual title I go with. So it's really important to have the actual keyword that people search for on Pinterest, since we want them to be able to find our pin. Now for the description, just write a little bit. You can also take the Amazon description, so you have a small description right here. So you can say, for example, this part right here if you want to take that, this part, whatever you want. Now one thing that you need to add is something like this is an affiliated post, or something where you mention that the link we are going to add right here is an affiliate link, because otherwise Pinterest can remove the pin and even delete your account. Now here for the link is the really important part, because what we are going to do is go to Amazon, then just open up the product that you want the link for, and in the top left click on get link right here and then click text. Now if this doesn't show up, make sure that you are signed into the same account that you created your Amazon Associates account with. Then I usually just take the short link right here, so just take the link right here and then go and copy it, and then go back to Pinterest and here add in the link. Now here you can add it to a board, for example kitchen board right here. Now you can tag some topics, so for example kitchen, organization. So just find some tags that have something to do with the actual product. I recommend adding 3 to 5. And then after you do that, you can go and click on publish right here, and now we have created our pin. So we can see it right here. It looks really nice in my opinion, and in my opinion it looks better than all of these other ones. So then what will happen is that when people search for turntable organizer, eventually my pin will actually show up because I named it that exact keyword. So turntable organizer, and then my pin will be one of the ones you see right here. It won't be ranking instantly, but after a little bit of time it will show up. And you can see this post right here is actually the exact same thing that we are creating. It's the Lazy Susan turntable organizer, and that's the one that we also have right here, Lazy Susan turntable organizer. Now our pin looks nicer than this one, so we will rank above this one, and you can see they also have the Amazon affiliate link to the exact same product. So you can see this really works, and if we head over to their account, you can see that they have a bunch of pins like this, and they are kind of following the same strategy. And one of these pins, as I just showed you, when you get good at it, and now you can just reuse this template. So you only have to create a template once basically, and then you can just drag in images and then just write what it is and the price. It will only take like 3 minutes per pin, and you can create as many as you want, and these will rank on Pinterest for years to come, and you will really start making a lot of money. You can see this person only has 39 followers and they only have about 50 pins I think, and you can literally create 50 pins within a couple of hours, and they are already getting 70k monthly views. Let's say 10% of people click on the actual link link because they are interested in the product. And you can see the Amazon affiliate conversion rate is 1 to 2%. So let's say 7,000 people per month click on the links, then 1 to 2% of them actually purchase the product. So that is 70 people per month. Let's say you make 10% on each product and the product is $20 on average, then that will make you $140 per month. And the thing is, you can literally create 50 of these posts within one day. You can actually create thousands of them every single month, and this will really start stacking up, and you can easily make $200 per day doing this. So it's a really cool method to actually make a lot of money using Amazon and Pinterest, and it's super simple. You don't need to show your face or anything. You just want to follow the steps that I showed you in this video. So now you know how to make $200 per day promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.